So yan ang CPA, concrete, representational, and then abstract. Step 1 is the introduction and the modeling of the skill. Teacher lang ang gumagana. I will build it. Okay, so I see 1 dinosaur, dinosaurs, 3 dinosaurs, 4 dinosaurs. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 dinosaurs. I will try to draw it. This is a dinosaur. 1 dinosaur, 2 dinosaurs, 3 dinosaurs, 4 dinosaurs. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. I will now write it. I have 4 dinosaurs. The teacher shares the practice. Sa guided practice natin, ang teacher and students are working together. So show me, then the student will show me. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 markers. Can you draw it? I will draw it. 1, 2, 3. 3 markers. Show me, right? Number 3. 3. Si student na lang ang gumagawa diretso. Si teacher nagmamasid lang. Ang importante dito sa strategy na to is that you really allow them to hold learning that, okay, I can draw it. May shortcut yung drawing. Ang shortcut niyan ay ganyan. Then, in remediation, you need to slow down. Slow down and honor the concrete and representational stages. Let's not go direct to abstract. Let's give the students, our learners, a map